Okay, because we have avocado toast at home. So we're going to make this avocado toast with the fried egg. You want to start off with, I would say, like a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to just mix that around a little bit so it's spread throughout the pan. And so here I want to drop in that egg. I typically use one egg. You can use two. You doing it at home. It's whatever you like. Okay, so then we want to add in a little seasoning salt. I add it to everything. So if you don't want it, don't add it. So pepper. I heard people don't typically season their eggs, but that's not us over here. We gonna season that thing good. Okay, we want to get that egg nice and fried. I don't eat uncooked eggs, so but you do what you do with your egg. Okay, so then you want to get her flipped over. Apparently, I was having a little trouble. And I do the same thing on this side. Seasoning, salt, and pepper. Or pepper and seasoning salt. Then you want to add some mozzarella cheese. At this point, the egg is done. I just want the cheese to melt. Once that's nice and melted, you want to get your bread ready. So I have some sourdough sliced bread here that I'm going to put in the toaster, some avocado mash, the avocado on top of the piece of toast. I add pepper to my bread with the avocado, some garlic powder. I'm doing all this to taste. So add the egg to the toast, some Roman tomatoes, some arugula. You want to add on some everything bagel for crunch. And finally, some balsamic vinegar. This avocado toast is everything. So enjoy. Okay, bye.